Before we dive into this wild sci-fi tale, let us know in the comments which city and country are you watching from and what time is it there right now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your sci-fi loving friends. Now let's get into the madness. We sent a bomb to Earth. They sent it back upgraded vertical bar best HFY stories. The transmission was short. One line, in fact, delivery received, returning with interest. It came 3 hours after the Vorath Dominion detonated a neutron fusion warhead in low Earth orbit, a final message to a species they deemed too primitive to negotiate with. The Galactic Council had warned them. Earth was volatile, unpredictable, not the most advanced species, but one disturbingly adaptable. The Voraths, riding high on conquest after conquest, dismissed the warnings. Fear, they believed, was the best form of diplomacy. So they sent a bomb. It never even touched the surface. Humanity tracked it, analyzed it, and neutralized it. In minutes, no one expected Earth to survive. No one expected Earth to reply. But reply they did. Commander Turl of the Vorath Dominion watched the holofeed with interest at first. A second bomb approaching, nearly identical in heat signature to their own. Only this one pulsed with unfamiliar coding, foreign energy patterns. It's our warhead, a tech officer confirmed. But it's changed. The interface showed structural reinforcements, a strange modular addition wrapped around the casing, and a small blinking beacon on its dorsal fin, broadcasting in Vorath encryption. Where is it going? Turl asked. To us. Panic. The bridge buzzed with voices, defensive systems activated, targeting systems locked, but when the order to intercept was given, nothing happened. Our systems won't target it, another officer stammered. It's recognized as a friendly. Turl's mind raced. Had Earth rewritten their targeting systems? Moments later, the device docked with the hull. No explosion, just silence. Then a soft beep, a signal, a connection. Then all lights went out. Across the Vorath fleet, all ships, and every screen, on every deck, flickered on. A human voice spoke, calm and clear. Consider this a lesson. Threats don't frighten us, they educate us. The next lesson won't be so kind. Silence. Then the bomb, still intact, detached and drifted back toward Earth, leaving behind a corrupted mainframe, a siphoned databank, and a Dominion scrambling to understand what just happened. Across the galaxy, reactions varied. The Kythari broadcasted admiration, efficient savagery. Their ambassador purred. The Grawl demanded neutrality. The humans are unpredictable. We cannot provoke them further. Within days, Vorath Dominion command codes appeared on black market networks, weapon specs, ship designs, personal files. Humanity hadn't just returned a bomb. They'd returned a virus. They hadn't just survived an attack. They'd reverse-engineered it, improved it, weaponized the data, and sent it back with a message. You teach us, we evolve, and then we leave. By week's end, 3 neutral systems offered Earth strategic alliances. One even offered reparations for previously held misunderstandings. In the Galactic Council chambers, debate raged. Earth must be contained, barked High Warlord Extor. They're destabilizing the quadrant. They're doing nothing of the sort, replied the Wren diplomat. They're just showing what happens when you mistake quiet for weakness. Months later, Earth's ambassador addressed the council. Behind her floated a hologram, the upgraded bomb, labeled simply, Lesson 1. Her words were brief. If this is what we do with one weapon, imagine what we do with trust. And then she smiled, just a little.